I hope I'll be able to contribute as much as I can. As alam niyo naman, I worked as in the Majority Leader's office for 2 years. I was SDML, Senior Deputy Majority Leader for 3. So I think I'm well prepared enough for the job. Pero dagdag trabaho talaga yan. I mean, the job of Majority Leader is it's a thankless job. And it's a lot of late nights and a lot of work, but sa tingin ko handa naman po tayo.
Kung ano po yung advantage ng pananatili po bilang speaker ni Speaker Martin Romualdez pagdating po sa mga legislative agenda na isusulong ng ating Pangulo?
Well, I don't know about advantage, but I think we can expect the same levels of productivity, if not more so, that we had in the 19th Congress. So that is the hope and that is the aim.
Sir, sa SONA po, ano pong ina-expect nyo kay President Marcos? Ano po yung mga inaabangan yung sasabihin niya?
Ilan mo inaabang, alam ko na gusto sasabihin niya.
Opo, may pasilip po ba?
Well, let's wait and see. I think our kababayans will be happy with what he has to say. I think his SONA is one that is in touch with the realities that we live in. It's around 1 hour 20 minutes. So let's just wait and see.
1 hour and 20 minutes po yung tatagal yung speech ng Pangulo.
Yes.
Ayun.
Mention po na alam mo na yung laman ng speech ng
Ano po, hindi kita marinig, sorry po.
Pwede po magkakaroon po ba ng declaration regarding sa COVID?
Again, ayaw kong unahan yung So let's just let's wait for him and see what he has to say.
Congratulations.
Sir,
Sorry.